To install the floating Modesty panel, follow these steps. Step 1. On a flat surface, position each Modesty bracket 1 foot from the edge and flush with the edge of the Modesty panel. Step 2. Once the Modesty brackets are positioned, screw the brackets to the panel using the screws provided with the bracket. Step 3. Once the brackets have been installed and secured, line up the edge of the Modesty panel with the edge of the desk. Then, screw the brackets to the bottom of the desk. Step 4. Check that the panel is level and that there is no movement. The floating Modesty panel is now securely installed.